Hello, guys. I would like to discuss now what's going to trigger the next bear market. We'll definitely have a bear market. Even now, Bitcoin is at 112k. No one really cares about Bitcoin, really. If you ask, not my channel because obviously I don't have many followers, but if you check the views of other channels, they have less views than they had in 2019. So this is clearly still a big boys game, all the big players involved, and there's still very little retail, so that's how that there is still a mania to come. So we need higher prices, we need people remortgaging their houses to buy crypto. We need that to see that euphoria that we still don't have at the moment. Fortunately, because it's an opportunity for people that are not still fully allocated in the market. So what's gonna cause the bear market? It's gonna be leverage again. People betting on the price of Bitcoin going higher and higher and higher, and altcoins, and then they're gonna get liquidated. So as simple as that. Obviously, what's gonna play a big role is this Bitcoin strategies. Now and you see Ethereum strategies as well, like MicroStrategy versions on Ethereum, on Solana. They're gonna come, and the ones that catch the price of Ethereum lower are more likely to survive. But like Bitcoin, the Michael Saylor is very unlikely to be liquidated because his the Bitcoin that he bought well below 100k, his average, and it's such a big company now that he's gonna struggle, in my opinion, to get liquidated. But this newer ones that came in, that catch the Bitcoin price higher, and they keep on buying. I'm not sure they'll be here if Bitcoin suddenly drops to 100k, or even 90k. Could happen, even after we go up to 200,000, we could easily again go back to 90 in 1 year or whatever time frame. So there will definitely be companies jumping in now that don't have the leverage that the earlier players have, and yeah, they will go belly up like Celsius did, like BlockFi, all these companies. So I personally don't hold any of these stocks. Probably won't be a bad idea to hold MicroStrategy or the Japanese one, Metaplanet, because they also were very early into the game. But I learned my lesson with Celsius. I recovered what I had in Celsius, or most of it, fortunately, when I learned my lesson. So I rather hold Bitcoin. So yes, guys, that will be a bear market for sure. You know, nothing of this matters. If you if we are here, we know that Bitcoin is gonna go to 1 million. Is not if but when. But be careful with altcoin gains. If you have very good gains, take your profits. Don't expect an altcoin is gonna go up forever, because you'll be surprised. You'll round trip everything and lose it all. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon. And again, I don't know how this channel is gonna do, but I put it in my head that I wanted to get to 100 videos. So I know I've not been consistent posting, them, but I'll definitely, even if it takes 3 years, I'll definitely get to 100 videos and see how it goes. Thank you guys. Any questions, just leave it in the comments. And thank you. Bye.